Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install roof rack crossbars on the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2022 up.
Open the box and gather all the tools needed for the installation. Unlock the caps on all of the head units. Insert the head unit into each end of the aluminum profile.
Remove the factory bolts on the railing to reveal the fixing points. Position the bracket over the fixing points, then tighten the bolts.
Place the head unit on top of your vehicle and align it properly in position.
Insert the bolts connecting the bracket to the head unit, then tighten both sides evenly.
Tighten the yellow knob on the head unit to secure the connection between the head unit and aluminum profile once they are properly aligned.
Insert the key into the cap, turn to open, place it on the head unit, then lock it securely. The cap will only open when the key is in the unlock position, so pay attention to that.
The lip on the aluminum profile must face the back of the car to reduce noise. Hold the roof rack and shake it rapidly to check security. If installed correctly, the vehicle will move, not the rack.
Installation complete. Your roof rack is now securely installed and ready for your next adventure. If you're looking for roof racks and accessories for other vehicles, visit polauto.com. Thanks for watching and drive safely.